so weird. Why is it more yellow there? Hey.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi. This is Modi Makes, and today we're getting back into it with another couple custom painted vinyls. Whoop, whoop. If they turn out anything like the sketches I've worked on, they're gonna be the best ones yet. So let's get into it. So the reason that I cut my intro sequence short, or shorter than I usually do, is there's something I wanted to explain to you guys. I generally like to do a doodle grid directly onto my surface to transfer over my sketch. However, with a lot of the surfaces that I work on, the doodle grid lines and everything can be really hard to erase and it can get really messy. So to dodge that, what I should be doing more, and what I recommend that other people do, unless they're working on more like murals or walls or stuff like that, or just larger pieces, or on canvas or something like that, is to use transfer paper. And then you can just put your doodle grid onto, well, I like to use newsprint. Put your doodle grid onto the newsprint here and transfer your sketch onto that, and then use the transfer paper underneath to get a clean transfer onto your surface here. So I just wanted to tell you all that real quick. And that's what we're going to be getting into right meow. say these are the best custom painted vinyls I have made yet. Oh my word. Absolutely scandalous. Let me know if you guys agree, and just, in general, what you guys think of the piece in the comments down below, as always. And also, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys liked the video, if you liked the piece, go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. It helps out a ton. And if you, like me, you like the channel and you want to help support me, the biggest thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really want to grow the channel, and that's the best way to do it, because then I get recommended to more people and, the channel grows faster. So if you want to help me do that, please do that. Please throw down a comment. Please like the video. All that shit helps a ton. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm trying not to swear in my videos as much these days. Damn. So with that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get into the part that you're all actually waiting for. Let's see those final shots, shall we?
Girl.